Is the stock market just a modern form of slavery? Let's dive into this provocative question and uncover the uncomfortable parallels. Picture this: a group of wealthy individuals sitting in boardrooms making decisions that impact the lives of countless workers. These are the shareholders, the ones who possess the power to control the fate of the companies they invest in. But what are companies if not collections of people? By owning shares, these investors are essentially claiming ownership over the employees who make up these corporations. Just like slave owners of the past, they hold the reins of power, dictating the direction and policies that shape the lives of those under their control. Some might argue that employees have the freedom to leave, to choose their employment. But is it really a choice when the alternative is often financial ruin? The stock market has created a system where survival is tied to submission to the will of the shareholding class. Shareholders may not directly own employees, but their influence is far-reaching. They control pay, benefits, and working conditions. They have the power to hire and fire, to uproot lives and livelihoods. The autonomy of workers is an illusion, a facade masking the strings pulled by those who hold the wealth. And what of the corporations themselves? They are granted rights that often surpass those of the individuals they employ. This twisted personification only reinforces the notion that they are entities to be owned and controlled, rather than collectives of free individuals. The stock market, the beating heart of modern capitalism, has created a system of economic slavery. It is a system where the many are beholden to the whims of the few, where human dignity is sacrificed on the altar of profit. It perpetuates inequality, erodes democracy, and shackles us to a cycle of exploitation. As we come to the end of this exploration, I leave you with a question to ponder. In a world where the stock market reigns supreme, are we truly free? Or are we merely cogs in a machine, our lives and labor controlled by those who hold the wealth? The answer may be uncomfortable, but it is a conversation we must have. For only by confronting the harsh realities of our economic system can we hope to build a future where the dignity and autonomy of every individual is valued and protected.